and reset. Okay. Walk in now. Walk in now. Okay. Reset. Walk in. Look on the healer in 5. Hold. Just hold. Walk back. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Who the heck cheered them? Okay, walk in, walk back now. Keep fighting. Occult now. Occult now and west. Go west. Keep kiting west. Defensive ready on the front. Walk in now. Reset full out. Walk in and look east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On east. DPS. Walk west now. Go west. Southwest. Keep going. Keep kiting. No, do not stay here. Keep kiting. Do not stay here. Keep kiting. Clears in the front. Defensive. Defensive in the front. What the heck? Heal center. Do over surrender, bro. We need to kite when we are kiting, okay? Heal. Keep kiting, okay? Keep kiting. On the choke, keep kiting. Hold. We lost one healer, okay? Hold here. Look for my engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On their collar. Okay, defensive ready. Pot.
Gamer. We can hear you, Gamer. We cannot hear you.
Yo, kite west.
Kite west, guys. Kite west. Hold it. Heal Grimmer in the front. You guys are very slow in heals, by the way.
Sorry.
Please play on fucking Miss Collar and not the fucking shield and the Eye of Secret.
So keep fighting, guys. Grimmer is gay, bro. Color is looking, guys. Be careful.
In the front.
Fuck.
Get in the teddy. We will say GG.
Yeah. Oh.
Walk in. Get in the teddy.
What happened, guys?